construction of an angle with the help of protractor. Let's see how we construct the angle with the help of protractor. Here I take three angles, 40 degree, 155 degree and 100 degree. Let's see how we construct the angles. For constructing the angles, first of all, you have to draw one straight line with the help of ruler like this. Take the protractor, scale, draw one line, small line you have to draw, remove the scale, make the point here at the end. You can take both sides, this side also and this side also. So first I take this side to draw the angle. Now what you have to do, you have to take the protractor and this is the point we have to match with the vertex, and this line, the base line on which the zero lies, we have to match with this line. So let's see how you have to draw the angles. Let's see, match this, ये देखिए, like this you have to match. Here the line coincide with the this baseline and the vertex, here the vertex match with this vertex, center of the protractor, like this you have to keep here. Now as you see that on this line, 0 comes on which side, this side 0 not falls on this line, so this 0 falls on this line. So hold the protractor tightly so that it not moves here and there, otherwise your angle becomes wrong. Now start watching here on this scale, on the inner scale, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 comes here, so come to the straight point here and put one dot here near the line where the 40 falls. Put the dot here, and after then check carefully that the vertex is on the center of the protractor, the baseline is on the 0, and you see that on the inner scale 40 is here, so this big line, put the point here. Now you remove your protractor, take the scale, match this point and this point carefully like this. Put the arrow sign as it is a ray. You can give them any name, A, B and C. This is your angle measuring 40 degree. Now let's see how we measure the angle facing to the left hand side. It also very easy. The same process you have to do. What? Make one line. First of all, you have to hold the scale tightly. Make one line like this. Remove the scale. Put the dot this side. Now take the protractor. Keep the protractor here. The same process you have to do. Match the baseline of the protractor to the baseline of the angle like this, and center of the protractor to the vertex here like this. Now what you see? You see that here on this line the 0 falls on the outer scale of the 0 falls here. Outer scale of the 0 falls here means what? You have to read the outer scale, and what angle you have to make? You have to make the angle 40 degree. Now read the outer scale here, 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40 here. So 40, now you have to, as you have to read the outer scale, so 40 is here, so put the dot here near the line where the 40 is written on the protractor like this. Check that 0 falls on the baseline, vertex and center coincide. So now remove your protractor here. Now match this dot with this dot. Make the line match the dot like this. Like this. Remove your scale, put the arrow sign. Don't forget to put the arrow sign. Now again, what is the measure of this angle? The measure of this angle is 40 degree. You can write the name P, Q and R. So in this way you have to draw the angle in both side, left side or in the right side. Now see the another angle. Now see the another angle 155 degree. Again the same process you have to do. Make one line, put the dot here in one side of the line, put your protector here, match the center of the protector with the vertex that you take. Now match the baseline, and here you see that 0 is on the inner scale. The 0 is on the baseline and this 0 is in the inner scale. So read the inner scale. Start reading the inner scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 and 160. So we know that where 150 lies, 155 lies, 155 lies between 150 and 160. So if you see carefully, between 150 and 160 one small line is there, 10 small lines are there, in which one is the bigger one. So this is the 155 degree. Put the dot here. You can see here carefully that between 150 and 160 155 lies. So you have to put the dot here. Now what you have to do, again the same process, remove the protector and match this point like this. Match this point to this point like this. Remove the scale, put the arrow sign here. Now what angle is this? 155 degree. Name the angle X, Y and Z. You can name the angle like this.